Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. And this video, we will be unboxing this ginormous 500-piece jigsaw puzzle. And yep, it has a size comparison of a few dinosaurs: Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. And here's the back of the box. It has it completely filled out here, so I'm probably going to be looking at this when I am building the puzzle. And yeah, this is the back of it, the side of it. Oopsie, hold up. Okay. The other side of it, another side of it, and another side of it. Okay, well, yeah, without further ado, let's unbox these. Okay. It's right there. Yes. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. Okay, the tape comes off just like that. Nice. Okay, we in business. Okay, so we're just removing the tape right now. Yep. And then last piece, and then you can actually see how, what it looks like. Okay, let's open it. Wait, I might need to put you guys on the floor for a sec. Two-hand job. There we go. Okay. Okay. Oh, nice design. We got a Ziploc bag here. Very good design. This will help me out a lot. Yeah. Okay, so this is 500 pieces. Let's just start by doing the corner pieces. We won't do the whole entire puzzle in this video. We'll just do just a start on it. Okay, I'll put you guys down again for a sec. Sorry. Here. Okay, yeah, this one should be good. Nice, okay. Oh. It's not Legos, but Lego. So yeah, let's just make a soft and slow start. So we have this piece looks like it belongs to probably the Suchomimus. See that Suchomimus? I'm gonna flip it like la boop boop. Okay, so that probably belongs to the Suchomimus. Like that. Yeah. Okay. Stegosaurus. Okay. Hold up. Oh yeah, it's. Wait, I'm not sure. Oh no, it's not. Oh no, it's from Precious Circus. Okay. just spread out the pieces. Okay, so let's just put the pieces into groups at first. So, okay, like that, and then like that. Yep. Ooh, nice. Okay, we're making a good start here. Doing well. Okay. Nice, okay. Got that. Yeah. Got some edges too. Nice. Nice and edgy. That's a corner! Yeah. I'm just putting it here for a sec. Putting them into groups will make it satisfying for you. Boom. Boom. Get off me. Get off. Just kidding. Oh yeah, it's there. It's period. Cretaceous period. Like that. Nice. Yeah. That. Oh, it's like, yeah. Like that. Yeah, we got that. Cretaceous period. Cretaceous period. Let's put that. Let's try it here. Not sure. Let's try it here. Seems to have a better fit. Okay. Looking good. We have Megasaurus. Okay. No. Okay. That's for later. See you later, alligator. Where's that corner piece? There. Yes. Boom. Like that. Totally. Yeah. Like that. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's Triceratops. Okay. Well, guys, we've got another piece. I was about to say we'll leave this video off, but we've got another piece. Let's go with this. And, yeah. Okay. Well, that might be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope the microphone quality was good, and I hope the video was good. I hope so. And, yeah, thank you all for watching this video, and see you in the next video, Spino Squad. I'm going to work on this on my own for a little bit.